Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best smart toilet that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have TOTO Neorest 700H Dual Flush Toilet. This smart toilet is the last product on our list and it equally boasts of exciting features to deliver great performance, aside from adding luxury to your bathroom. The product provides great comfort. The toilet also comes with a heated seat that allows temperature control. Furthermore, the combination of Sophiantech 1G Tornado Flush System, and electrolyzed water eWater Plus ensure clean synergy. The toilet features a unique dual flushing system 1.0 and 0.8 GPF with ultra-high efficiency. The elongated front bowl is equipped with a soft close seat that won't slam. The Neorest 700H is engineered to provide its user with an unrivaled level of comfort. The eWater Plus technology keeps the bowl clean and hygienic, while the WonderWave spray and warm air dryer keep you feeling refreshed. A testament to our total design principle, the 700H will transform your bathroom into a relaxing oasis that's accessible to users of all ages and abilities. Moving on at number 4, we have KOHLER K40260 Caring Toilet. This one-piece toilet boasts of a stunning style, efficiency, and comfort. It offers a 1.28-gallon flush to help save you up to 16,000 gallons of water every year. The machine delivers water-conserving flush without compromising performance. The product also comes with a heated seat that makes sure you get great warmth even when it's cold. With the help of a touchscreen remote, you can easily control your preference. With its thankless design, the Caring Toilet makes a stunning style statement in any bath decor while offering the personal comfort of bidet cleansing. A touchscreen remote makes it easy to control your preferences for the heated seat, bidet and air dryer and to program custom settings for up to 2 users. With built-in conveniences like an LED night light and hands-free opening and closing, the Caring Toilet combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, skirted design. The powerful 1.28-gallon flush provides significant water savings compared to a 3.5-gallon toilet. In addition, the toilet features built-in conveniences such as a self-cleaning wand, hands-free opening and closing, precision air dryer, and a LED nightlight to light up your night. At number 3, we have TOTO Washlet Plus Carlyle 2 Toilet. This toilet is specially designed with cleanliness and comfort in mind. It is built to conceal its connection, without any visible cords or hoses, thereby making your bathroom an inviting space. There's a premise spray in place that uses the incoming water supply to mist the toilet bowl before every use. Thanks to the slick surface, waste is prevented from adhering to it, thus creating a very hygienic environment. Furthermore, the toilet features a contoured seat that is specially designed to be heated so as to deliver maximum comfort. With 5 temperature settings, you'll get to choose your desired level of warmth. You also get a powerful flush with 1.28 gallons of water per flush. At number 2, we have TOTO G400 Washlet Bidet Seat with integrated dual flush toilet. This bidet toilet seat comes with an integrated dual flush 1.28 and 0.9 GPF toilet. The product features an auto close and open lid that can be operated automatically, thereby boosting ease of use. There's also a pre-mist function that wets the surface of the toilet bowl in order to eliminate waste more effectively. The incorporated contoured seat is specially designed and heated to deliver maximum comfort. In addition, the toilet features a self-cleaning function that cleans the whole wand after and before each use, and the deodorizer utilizes air filters to help clean the surrounding air. The product also features 3 cleansing functions that are adjustable. They include rear, front, and rear soft. And finally at number 1, JENYS Smart Electric Toilet. Are you looking to remodel your bathroom into an elegant space? This smart toilet is just right for you thanks to its impressive design and functions. It features a stainless steel automatic nozzle that is self-cleaning and ensures that every wash is always safe and clean, making it a quite hygienic option. The product also features a warm air dryer that is adjustable and eliminates any need for toilet paper. Furthermore, the toilet boasts of a heated seat with adjustable temperature settings. To ensure a great toilet experience at the night, the product sports a welcoming blue nightlight that illuminates the toilet bowl. All these functions work by only pushing a button on the control panel. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.